Midas. I think we all know about Midas. He was the king, and he was the one of the most greedy person on the earth, and he was crazy about two things. One is gold, and other thing is his daughter, and he wants more and more gold. He has gold treasure, but he wants more and more, and he also likes to count his gold treasure every day. So one day he was counting his treasure, and at that time one unfamiliar person came to him and said him that just ask something from me, I will give you the power. So the king became happy and said, are you serious? Are you going to give me something, some power? So the unfamiliar person said, yes, just ask me, just call, I will give you. So the king said, okay, then give me the power that whatever things whom I touch, it became gold. So the unfamiliar person said, is this your last choice? So he said, yes. So unfamiliar person says, okay, then from tomorrow, whatever things will you touch, it will become gold. And at that night, the king can't sleep properly. He was just thinking that he is seeing a dream. So when it became next day, he touched his bed first, and it became the gold. So now he became very, very excited, and he became very happy. Then he touched his clothes and everything, and it all became the gold. Then he looked after the window. Then there his daughter was playing. So he thought that why don't I show this power to my daughter? So he thought that I will show this power to my daughter. Before that, he thought to read something. So he touched the book, and it became gold. So he couldn't read anything. And after that, he wants to eat his breakfast. And as he touched his meal, it became gold. So he couldn't eat also his breakfast. And now he was a little bit upset, but he was happy that he has lots of gold. And after that, when his daughter came to him, as he touched him, she turned into gold. Now the king felt guilty. Now he was crying that what should I do now? And he was crying very badly, and he wants his daughter back. At that time, the unfamiliar person came to him and said, to know that the power, after getting the power of touch and gold, king is happy or not. He asked him, are you happy with the power? Then he said, I want this. I have wanted this power to get only and only happiness, but this power brings very miserable things in my life. So just give me my power, just take this power back. So and the unfamiliar person asked me that if you have you decided perfectly? He said, yes, I just want my daughter back. So unfamiliar person said, just decide, your daughter or gold? He said, no, I want only and only my daughter. I will leave all the gold. So he said, okay, now you become cleverer than before, so I will took it back. So I just want to say that if you have something and you wanted more and more, then it will become only and only trouble in your life. And maybe that is possible that he was king, he got another time, another chance, but maybe you will not go. So just ignore it and keep it. Thank you.
From both girls, because she is my first student in English speaking.